In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in the Hostinger website builder. Now, having a favicon is that little icon you see at the top of the browser tabs. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your site and make it instantly recognizable. So let's jump right into it and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by going over to the Hostinger website. If you haven't already signed into your account, this is where all the magic begins. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. You're looking for a section labeled Websites. Go ahead and click on that. This is your hub for managing all the websites you have hosted on their platform. Next, find the website you want to work on and click on Dashboard. Once there, look for the option that says Edit Website. This kicks off the actual customization phase where you'll make those personal touches. Now, within the website editor, at the top right, or sometimes tucked away in an options menu, you'll find a button that says More. Clicking on that should reveal additional settings. Navigate your way to General Settings. This is where the option to add a favicon will appear. Once you're in the general settings, click on Favicon. At this point, you might notice it's empty or has a generic icon. We'll change that by creating our own. For designing your favicon, you'll need another website. Head over to favicon.io. This is a simple and effective tool for designing these small icons. When you arrive at the favicon generator website, you'll want to click on Text. For this tutorial's purpose, let's create a favicon with the letter A, but feel free to personalize this with any letter or symbol meaningful to your brand or website. You can also tweak the background color and design to match your website's aesthetics, making the favicon truly your own. Once satisfied with your design, click on Download. This will download the favicon file to your computer. With this file ready, head back to Hostinger. In the favicon settings, click on Add Image or Upload Files depending on your interface and select the downloaded favicon file from your computer. After you've uploaded the file, make sure it's selected, then click on Save Changes to confirm the update. It's one of the final steps to ensure everything's set. Finally, hit Update Website to apply all these changes to your live site. And there you have it, a custom-tailored favicon now gracing the tabs when your website is opened. With this simple adjustment, you're not only enhancing your site's brand identity, but also improving its professional appearance. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials.